Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Mr. Zaman, and today I'm going to talk about specific outdoor air pollutants linked to asthma attacks in urban children by NIH study. Moderate levels of two outdoor air pollutants, ozone and fine particulate matter, are associated with non-viral asthma attacks in children and adolescents who live in low-income urban areas. The study also identifies associations between exposure to the two pollutants and molecular changes in the children's airways during non-viral asthma attacks, suggesting potential mechanisms for those attacks. Children who live in low-income urban environments in the US are at particularly high risk for attack-prone asthma. Asthma attacks provoked by respiratory virus infections, a common trigger, have been studied extensively. But those that occur independently of such infections have not. In the current study, investigators examined the relationship between air pollutant levels and asthma attacks occurring in the absence of a respiratory virus among 208 children aged 6 to 17 years who had attack-prone asthma and lived in low-income neighborhoods in one of 9 US cities. Then the researchers validated the associations they found between air pollutant levels and non-viral asthma attacks in an independent cohort of 189 children aged 6 to 20 years with persistent asthma who lived in low-income neighborhoods in 4 US cities. The investigators followed the children prospectively for up to 2 respiratory illnesses or approximately 6 months, whichever came first. The scientists found that asthma attacks had a non-viral cause in nearly 30% of children, 2 to 3 times the proportion seen in non-urban children, according to previously published reports. These attacks were associated with locally elevated levels of fine particulate matter and ozone in outdoor air. The investigators linked changes in the expression of specific sets of genes that play a role in airway inflammation to elevated levels of these two pollutants by analyzing nasal cell samples obtained from the children during respiratory illnesses. Some of the identified gene expression patterns suggest that unique biological pathways may be involved in non-viral asthma attacks. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.